How to change your name on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Spotify fast and easy. First go to Spotify and then click here, and now the first thing we need to do is just click on your profile and then click this one, edit profile. And now as you see, you can change your name to anything you want. Let's try, and then just click here, save. And as you see, the name has been changed. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.